Everyone, today I'm going to show you where I actually get my hardware for because it actually features in every single video that I have, which is my clips. And I get all of my alligator clips, well, I'd say like 98% of all of my alligator clips that you see. So all of these, all my different sizes, every single one. I purchase them in batches of hundreds from Carroway Cottage, and I get them from Carroway Cottage because I know the quality is 100% really good. You can see it in the picture, you can feel it in the weight of the clips. They hand check all of them. You can barely like move or adjust them. They're really good quality clips, and every single time I've brought from them, every single time I've never ever had an issue where like one has snapped or broken or the quality has been like slightly off on any of the batches. So I always buy them from Carroway Cottage. I also brought some other bits and pieces because we all know I like my gadgets as well. So this is a box that came in. I actually had to have it re-delivered because for the first time ever I was actually at the shop when my postman came. So I'll take these out first. Just take a bit of my headdress out. So I got two new bags of clips because I've run out of my bigger sizes. So let me just check which ones I got. I always forget. So I got the 60mm alligator clips and the 45. So there's my bag of 45s. And there's my bag of 60s because, like I said, I like my bigger bows, but I didn't have the wide enough clips for some of them. And I think they do better on the slightly bigger ones. And I also love these bags because all I do, I put them in my little thing, is I roll them down there and put them in my little clip basket next to me. So, there. Yes, and then you can see the gadgets that I've been buying. So I also brought some snap clips because I needed some of the bigger sizes. And again, they do really good high quality bags of clips. I got 2 bags of 25 each, and this is 8cm clips, and this is 6cm because I showed you that new die that I've got. That I wanted for the snap clips because I've got really pretty scallop snap clips now, so I've got those as well. And then you possibly seen my recent tutorial where I made these fabric flowers. It got me in my head deciding that I wanted to make the buttons, so I ordered these button blanks in all the sizes. So this is the new gadget that I've got. It's one of these button tools where you put your fabric on these, and I'll just open one. I have one of the big ones. So these come in 2 pieces, and basically the idea is you take these apart. Got a bubble? Yeah, so there we go. So what you do is you take the clip out, you put your bubble in, and re-pop your clip back in. So that sits in there. Okay, then you cover this with fabric. I haven't got any, but basically the idea is you take a little like bit of fabric and put it on here, and then what you do with this one is you thread that over, and basically the fabric would be covering that side, and you pop it in the tool, threaded through, and then put it in, and you basically push it down and it sort of pops that button cover in place, and you get like a really pretty perfectly covered either bubble as you saw, or you can make them as just without this. You can make them as general buttons to stick on your snap clips as an alternative to like your half pearls and things like that. So like that's a really cute idea. So like I said, I've got all the different sizes of those, and I got sets of, put that in there so I don't misplace it. I got these in I think the sets of 10. Yeah, the sets of 10. So these are all from Carroway Cottage. They're all in sets of 10, and these aren't very expensive. These are only like £1.30 a pack. for the 10. You can get bigger ones, like with the clips. You can either get like 25 or you can get 100. Obviously buying 25 is going to be cheaper than buying 100. But obviously you get better quality, you get better value if you buy 100 instead of like 25 at a time. So for these ones, like I said before, I get mad and do my normal typical cat, no impulse control, I thought I'll play around with it with the smaller size first and decide whether or not I get along with it. But if I manage it, I'll put a tutorial up and I'll show you the 2 different ways how to attach them to a snap clip and how to make a bobble with them. So I'm like really excited about them. And then on top of that, put them all in the box cap so I don't, otherwise I'll lose them. This bag, I told you I wanted to make a flower crown. So I went a bit mad with the mulberry flowers, and look how pretty these are. I got all the colours. I got these in all different sizes, and these are the like pastel rainbow and the ombre rainbow versions. And then I got matching roses. I thought, like I said, I could mix up my flower crowns and like weave these in with the, as you can see, I got quite a few different sizes in the little pastel ones, because I thought I could, for summer, could do a pastel rose flower crown. Look how pretty they all are. I say as I drop them everywhere. And again, these come in sets of 20. They're about £1.65 to about £2.10, depending on the sizes, and they start sort of from 5mm up to, well, I think it's like 10mm up to like 20mm. I can't remember all the sizes off the top of my head, but I'll put the link for Carroway Cottage in the description below. But like I said, the quality is always amazing. There we go, there's the bigger sizes of the like more ombre roses and the brighter colours. And then I got navy, and this is actually 2 different sizes. That's like 20 and 15 or 20 and 12. I can't remember. And as we all know, I can't just buy one colour. I have to buy, to be honest, when I originally did my basket was like £120 and I had every colour that she had in 2 sizes. But I decided that even for me, bearing in mind that I should be better at managing my money, but I can't when it comes to craft related things, I have serious impulse control. So I had to go back in and edit the whole basket and only buy the colours that I actually wanted and needed for projects, rather than buying everything for the sake of having everything. So those are all my pretty pieces. I'll be doing the snap clip button type tutorial shortly, and thanks for watching everyone. Bye.